The Border Security Force on Friday recovered an AK-47 rifle, a pistol and some ammunition dropped by Pakistani drone from the border belt of Samba district in Jammu and Kashmir. The arms and ammunition cache was found wrapped in a yellow-colored polythene and lying on the ground. The recoveries include one AK-47 rifle, one 9mm pistol, one pistol magazine, 15 bullet rounds, and a wooden frame used to support the payload of the drone. The drone is suspected to have flown back into the park territory after it dropped the consignment. Several similar incidents in which arms and ammunition were dropped by Pakistani drone have been reported earlier from the areas falling along the international border in Samba, Kathuwa and Jammu districts. BSF had recovered bombs dropped by drone along the IB in Jammu's Samba sector on February 14, putting security agencies on high alert.
लोकली है वो क्या नाम है इसका दविंदर सिंह क्या एक कालीदास है ना भगवान ना पता लगा था
नहीं नहीं इसमें